today we are going to create this effect in Photoshop 2022. So here we have our model here. So we need to create a new document, 10 by 10 or 1080 by 1080. Press get. So now you need to write a question mark. You need to type in a question mark. So this is it. You need to use a font which is nice. And then here we take our model. We size our model to the size of the question mark. Decrease the opacity to see. Where he meets the question mark. So where his body and jumper meets the question mark. So you take back the opacity. So you press Ctrl and click on this thing here, on this later here, this question mark play, to make a selection. So you press this mask thing, this mask icon, and then you need to bring back the head. So press B, make sure this is white, use a hard brush, decrease the size, then start painting. So you need to paint at exactly where he makes that question mark. So this is it. And then we need to blend in this jumper with this question mark. So the first thing we're going to first change is the color of our question mark. So you use a color picker tool, change the color. So here, go back to our mask, press B, use a smooth brush, increase the size, change here to black. So this is it. So our guy has blended in so nicely. So I guess this is okay. And thank you for watching. Yeah, subscribe.